Lesson 1.1 Introduction to Rolling Charts. So now that we understand how to read risk to reward symbols, let's take a look at how we can use this knowledge to read rolling charts. If you didn't watch Lesson 1, I would recommend watching it before proceeding with this lesson. Let's start with a railroad banner. I will be walking you through each reward unit that is applied to this rolling chart. Since the community chest tile gives plus 0.6 reward units during a railroad banner, we'll apply this to every community chest tile. During a railroad banner, chance tiles give an average of plus 1.8 reward units. Railroad tiles have 1 point to reward units from banner rewards. But since tournament rewards are also applied to railroad tiles, this adds an additional 0.8 reward units. Cash with Cash Boost from Railroad also adds an additional 0.2 reward units for a total of plus 2.2 reward units. The jail corner gives an average of plus 1.5 reward units from jail doubles. The newest update on the Just Visiting tile, Lucky Coin, gives an average of plus 1 point for reward units. These are the reward units across the board during a railroad banner when no flash events aside from Cash Boost is active. Now let's see what changes when we have the flash event. Free parking dice on tax and utility tiles. Since the flash event gives to dice for landing on tax and utility tiles, this means that all tax and utility tiles give plus to reward units. There are also other things to consider, such as shields, which gives plus 1 reward unit. Here, we placed it between the tax and chance tiles. If we were to instead move the shield onto a tax tile, then this changes that specific tax tile to plus 3 reward units. Shields can be almost anywhere on the board, so it's simpler to just look at the reward units of a board without shields at first. Now let's recap what we've learned so far. If we roll with a X100 multiplier and land on a railroad tile which gives plus 2 points to reward units, then we expect to get to 120 dice from it. If we roll with a X1000 multiplier and land on a chance tile which gives plus 1.8 reward units, then we expect to get 1,800 dice rewards. If we roll with a X1000 multiplier and land on a community chest tile, which gives plus 0.6 reward units, we expect a loss of 400 dice. A lucky coin on the Just Visiting tile gives plus 1 point for reward units. But remember, this is an average of all the possible outcomes. In short, you will need multiple landings on the Just Visiting tile to reach the plus 1 point for average reward units. This also holds true to the chance tiles and the jail tile for jail doubles. Railroad tiles also has this variance due to the split between shutdowns and bank heists. But the tax and utility tiles during free parking dice consistently gives a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, or simply plus to reward units. So if we land on a tax or utility tile using X1000 multiplier, it will always give 2,000 dice for collection since it has plus to reward units. And if we were to land on any tile that has no reward units, or a 1-to-0 risk to reward, then we would lose all of our risk to mount. Now you know how to read the reward units on a rolling chart. And on a rolling chart, there are also tiles boxed in purple. These purple boxes indicate the best tiles to increase your multiplier from when your token is standing on them. Currently, there are 8 significant rolling charts for the Flash Events Lucky Chance and Free Parking Dice Tax Utility. The reward units for these charts, as of October 17, 2025, are accurate for the first 2,000 to 3,000 milestone tile landings.